So, are you trying to pass the bar exam but haven't been successful? The problem is not you. The problem is your main bar prep course. Think about it. Some states see as high as 20 to 30% of bar exam takers not passing the bar exam, and this doesn't make sense. And after graduating from law school, we all sign up for those main bar prep courses and we don't question them. We don't see the flaws and we don't identify where they lead us astray. And this is why we end up leaving points on the table and not passing. So the first problem I see with main bar prep courses is they don't show you how to study. They give you those big box of books and they lead you to believe that you need to memorize everything in there. But that is just physically impossible. And so you end up not understanding the law because you've been focusing on the memorization. And that's one way where main bar prep courses lead us astray. The second way that they lead us astray is by not giving us the right guidance on the written portion of the exam, which is 50%. And so if they don't provide the right guidance on the essays and on the performance test, you end up leaving points on the table. And they don't provide the right guidance because all they do is give you model answers. But reading a model answer doesn't translate into you improving your own answers and writing a high scoring answer on bar exam day. So I understand because this is what happened to me when I took the bar the first time. I signed up right after law school, like everybody else. I signed up for one of the main bar prep courses and I followed it to a T. I completed all the lectures, all the worksheets. I read and reread my outlines. I spent hours at the library studying and I still didn't pass. And so the second time around, I had to take matters into my own hands and ditch my main bar prep course and figure out what I needed to do to pass the bar. And that's how I came up with my system. I developed a system where I could earn more points on the written portion of the exam where I had more control over my score. And my system worked so well that I went from not passing the bar exam the first time to passing it in 3 states, in Maryland, in Florida, and in Texas. And now it's the system that I am showing the people that I help pass. That's how they are passing, by learning my system, implementing it, and using it on the essays and on the performance test to earn more points on each essay and on each performance test and get them over the line. So if you are interested in learning more about my method, I am having a workshop. I'm posting the link below where I will show you how to go from not passing to passing the bar exam. I will show you specific changes you can make to your own writing to maximize your points. And I will show you how to write a high scoring essay and performance test. So check out the link below and I will see you there. Bye guys.